is a super brand today. It's the flagship product of Indus Viva. So iPulse is always very close to your pulse. It is your pulse, it is my pulse. It is actually close to the heart, in fact. So that is the reason why we call this as a cardio protective supplement as well. iPulse also has another name called as cardio protective supplement. So not only this, iPulse is a wonderful antioxidant supplement. As you all know that it is containing 15 antioxidant fruits which are bestowing you the best of the best antioxidant benefits, which can protect your body, which can increase your resistance to all kinds of infections in the future as well. Well, my dear friends, as you all know that this is a Facebook Live series which is broadcasted on a continuous basis. You can shoot me your questions before I end a short topic on iPulse. There is also a link which is appearing below the chat box. Once you see the chat box, below the chat box there is a link. Please do click the link. There is a form which opens there. You can enter your credentials there, your name. Please don't forget to add your email ID. Your phone number is okay, but your email ID is very important for us to reply back to you. This is very important. So replying by WhatsApp is quite a difficult task, so it is always better for us to reply by the email. So please don't forget to mention your email in the link which is showing below the chat box, my dear friends. Well, as you all know that iPulse is very much related to the heart. It is very much close to your heart. So this is a Corona Zamana or the Corona era which is actually going around right now. Well, as you all know that the secondary complications of coronavirus infection is the heart diseases. So now it is an established fact. See, on 27th of September 2020, the Union Health Ministry gave a notification. If someone is tech savvy, or someone is very much seeing these updates on a daily basis, you might have got to know this. The government of India, the Union Health Ministry, gave one of the topics that day was discussed was in fact the health minister himself, he said that center is aware of emerging studies on COVID-19, which is not only a respiratory disease, but it affects several organs, including your heart. This is what the statement was made by the Union Health Ministry, which is 100% relevant now. Now the government is also getting the information. The government is also, understanding that COVID-19 is not only a thing which is affecting your lungs, but it is also at the same point of time is affecting your heart as well, my dear friends. So, Indian population is still far from achieving the herd immunity against COVID-19 as shown by the ICMR's second Sero survey. See, there is something called a Sero survey, not the Zero survey. It is called a Sero survey, S-E-R-O, Sero survey. So based on this, they have told that it is very much far away from attaining this herd immunity. Well, most people are, getting affected. At the same point of time, without any symptoms, they are getting recovered as well. This is actually leading to herd immunity, but not on a large scale. So this is what the Union Health Ministry had to tell that day on the emerging evidence that the disease not only impacts the lungs, but other organ systems, especially cardiovascular and renal systems, because our Union Health Minister himself is a doctor actually. So in fact, the heart as well as the kidneys are also related to each other. So this is where the impact of COVID-19, the secondary conditions of COVID-19 can be assessed through these two important things as told by the health minister as well these days, my dear friends. This is in accordance with the scientific studies which has been happening across the world. In fact, across the world, the cardiologists as well as the nephrologists, they are of the opinion that people who have come out of the virus also, the remnants of it is actually causing problems to the heart as well as the kidneys also, my dear friends. This is what is taken seriously by the government of India also today. Well, all said and done, one important thing is important here. Your maintenance of the immunity. Once your immunity is kept upright, so automatically your body will have the best of the best resistance. Even when the remnants of the viruses are there, it will not cause any problems to the human body as well, my dear friends. This is what is exactly called as the antioxidant capabilities of iPulse. Well, not only this, in fact, coronavirus comorbidities are common in patients with COVID-19, like presence of cardiovascular diseases, CVD as we call. It is actually associated with increased mortality in COVID-19 patients. You might have heard of, a majority of, these VVIPs or the special personalities who have succumbed to this disease actually. Well, they said that it is because of COVID-19 and ultimately the heart attack happened. Well, this is where the relationship is. This is where the sequence is. Because of COVID-19, now the scientists are analyzing that people who have succumbed to this disease have succumbed because of coronary artery disease or CVDs, cardiovascular diseases. Even though the virus was the preliminary agent, finally they ended up in succumbing to a CVD or a coronary artery disease. This is how the sequence is actually joined these days, my dear friends. So in fact, the coronary artery diseases or the cardiovascular diseases, the risk factors and disease correlate with increasing age as well. You can see not much young generation is dying because of the CVDs, because of COVID-19. Mostly the people above 60 to 65 years or 70 years or over that age is actually succumbing to this COVID-19, and they're also having this problem of the CVDs as well, my dear friends. So one important thing from this is what we can take home message is there is an intimate relationship between the COVID-19 as well as the heart diseases. It is established today. This is what is established today, my dear friends. So another important article which appeared in the New York Times, one of the most prestigious papers across the world, the New York Times, it says that demonstrated that there are large differences in the excess death rates. Germany has an excess death rate of 4%, which is surprisingly low in comparison with other countries or cities such as Italy, which has 49%, UK, which has 65%, Spain has 67% death rate, and New York City has 297% death rate. See, which means that, in fact, if you ask someone from the US, they will be able to tell you this. Many of the people in New York even did not know that they had the disease and they have come out of it actually. They are going towards the herd immunity these days, which means that there are a lot of other things which are associated with COVID-19. It is not only the virus which is causing problems. Whatever the internal problems that you have, the diseases that we have already, these things are multiplying along with COVID-19, and then the people are actually getting diseased. The mortality rate is increased. Deceased in the sense not DISCD, so I'm talking about DECASCD. The people who are dying because of this. I hope my point is clear to you. A lot of other comorbidities are playing a very important role in this. So, as you all know, my dear friends, iPulse is a wonderful antioxidant supplement. iPulse is also a wonderful immune boosting health supplement as well, which is nothing but an antioxidant rich fruit juice in a concentrate form. We call this as a premium fruit blend as well. It contains the 15 fruit juices which are all antioxidants in nature. I hope my point is clear to you. So as I told you, nowadays as the point which is I tried to establish in the beginning, now it is relevant that COVID-19 is a primary factor for coronary artery disease. COVID-19 is a primary factor for the cardiovascular diseases, the CVDs, is established now. Even the Union Ministry is speaking about it. So far as the iPulse is concerned, one thing is very important. Immune boosting benefits is one part of it. The antioxidant benefits is the other part of it. The third thing is the cardiovascular benefits. Very, very important. Because cardiovascular benefits, irrespective of what the preliminary condition is, the cardiovascular benefits play a very important role in the body. iPulse is a wonderful heart protecting product. This is what the people who are watching me have to understand here. Antioxidants which are present in iPulse, apart from their other activities, antioxidants are very much important for protecting your hearts. This is very, very important. So, in fact, antioxidants which are naturally present in the fruits. We are not adding antioxidants from outside, just topping it up. No. In fact, the antioxidants which are naturally, inherently present in the fruits or the berries are responsible for this wonderful cardio protection benefit in the product. As you all know, my dear friends, when I talk about heart diseases, I am not only talking about heart attack or cardiac arrest. Heart attack or cardiac arrest is the end stage of heart disease. It is not the beginning stage, my dear friends. It is the end stage of the heart disease. I hope my point is clear to you. But what are the beginning stages? Beginning stages might be diabetes. Beginning stages might be addictions, hypertension or high blood pressure, high blood cholesterol, lack of exercise, unhealthy eating habits, stress, breathlessness on exertion, breathlessness on lying down, swelling in the legs, puffiness of the face, excessive fatigue, bloating of the abdomen, weight gain or weight loss. All these things can actually play a very important role for the manifestation of the heart diseases. So heart disease does not really mean it is heart attack or cardiac arrest. All these things what I spoke to you right now are the preliminary reasons for the manifestation of the heart disease. Well, along with that, we also have another guest today called as coronavirus. When coronavirus blends with all these things, automatically the people are dying. People are succumbing to this. And ultimately, when everybody is trying to brand them coronavirus positive, and because of that, the people died. Well, that was happening before, but now the government is realizing, now the authorities are realizing, the medical teams are realizing that not only the lung is affected, my dear friends, the other important organs in the body, especially the heart or even the kidneys, are getting affected because of this dreadful disease. I hope that the dots are joined now. Now I hope you have understood the points as well. So, as I told you, antioxidants are inherently present in our own body. They are actually present in our body, but they are very less in numbers. And we are exposed to so many other things on day in and day out basis. That is the reason why the antioxidant numbers are reducing inside our bodies. So, that is the main reason why we are telling you to consume antioxidants from outside. They are called as dietary antioxidants. iPulse is also called as a dietary antioxidants. So whenever you are consuming dietary antioxidants from outside, so whatever the antioxidants which are already present inside your body, their numbers increase. That is the reason why whenever you look into the brochure of iPulse, whenever you look into the benefits of iPulse, we have written a line there called as restores the antioxidant numbers. I hope my point is clear to you. This is what is called as restoring the antioxidant numbers. So, going ahead, friends, as you all know that the most important ingredient which is present in iPulse is called as acai berry. Acai berry is a wonderful ingredient which is a berry which is exotic in nature, which is available only in the Amazon rainforests of South America. It is a very exotic berry, in fact. So it is having an attribute of cardio protection or the heart support. It is number one antioxidant for anti-aging support. Its ORAC score is more than a lakh. It is more than a lakh, which is significantly high as compared to other fruits and nuts till date. This is how the antioxidant capabilities of acai berry is known to the humankind across the world. So, along with that, it also has the capability of destroying the cancer cells. It is a wonderful immune system support as well. So it is used as a supplement for centuries now by the people of Amazon, who are the tribal people of Amazon, and it has shown the wonderful antioxidant capabilities as well as immune boosting capabilities as evidenced by most of the peer-reviewed journals across the world, my dear friends. I hope my points are clear to you. So going ahead, the acai berry is around 14% in our product, 14%. In fact, that is a very, very good range so far as a wellness product is concerned. Whenever you look into the market products, other market products as well, the percentages of the fruit pulps or the concentrates are very less. But we have used the freeze-dried powder, which is a wonderful powder. Why I'm telling you wonderful is, this is a scientifically validated novel technology that we are using, where we freeze dry the freeze drying technology which was actually used in the in the iPulse. So what exactly happens here is, whatever the fruits which are present on the tree of acai berry, we try to freeze dry it to minus 80 degrees, and the powder which comes out of it is actually used in the product. The most important thing about it is the naturalness, the quality which is present in the fruits of acai berry is also present in the bottle of iPulse, my dear friends. This is how exactly the freeze drying technology, which is called as the most innovative technology which is used, is available in the product iPulse. Well, not only this, antioxidants should be supplemented in our diet always. This is what the nutritionists across the world are actually claiming on a day-to-day basis. Antioxidants and polyphenols are the powerhouses that not only reduces the inflammation in the body, but also play a supportive role in many of the body's well-being systems, and more recently, some have even shown to support gut health via prebiotic activity. This is very important. Why I am telling you this is, acai berries is one of the major fruits which is available in the South American continent, which is responsible for having the best of the best antioxidant capabilities, my dear friends. Why I am telling you this is, there are a lot of antioxidants which are present across the world, but one thing is important here, antioxidants are available across the world, my dear friends, but their palatability is also a question. You cannot consume antioxidants directly like that. their taste always varies. But acai berry, which is a freeze-dried powder what we are using in the product, this has a bland taste. It doesn't have any taste. It is tasteless for that matter. Such acai berry is considered as the best of the best acai berry that is available on this planet, my dear friends. I hope my point is clear to you all. So such kind of acai berry should always be used in the product, and Indus Viva is the first company which is actually using such a freeze-dried technology-oriented product in our product iPulse, my dear friends. I hope my point is clear to everybody. So this is what is the most important thing about the immune boosting and antioxidant benefits of our ingredient acai berry. So not only this, as you all know that iPulse contains the richness of other 14 antioxidant fruits as well. Like it might be the blueberry, the blackberry, the pineapple, and so on and so forth. So these fruits are also having the enough and sufficient antioxidant abilities in order to boost up your resistance as well as immunity inside the human bodies, so that the body will not suffer from any kind of a dreadful disease in the future. I hope my point is clear to everybody. So, as the World Health Organization clearly says, for a healthy human body, a person has to consume 3.5 kgs of fresh organic garden fresh fruits on a daily basis. 3.5 kgs. Is it really possible? Absolutely not. But you should not be eating any other thing apart from this 3.5 kgs. This is also very important. So when you do that, you will get 5000 ORAC units of antioxidants on a daily basis, my dear friends. But is it really possible? Absolutely not. So suppose if you consume 60 ml of iPulse on a daily basis, you will be getting 7000 ORAC units of antioxidants on a daily basis, my dear friends. Not 5000, we'll be giving you 7000 extra. So 2000 extra, so that is 7000 ORAC units of antioxidants. Why I am telling you this is, the extra antioxidants will always be stored in your liver. Your liver is a storehouse. Your liver is a storehouse of antioxidants. Your liver is also called as a garbage bin. It is a dust bin for that matter. So whatever the food that we are taking in inside, whatever the drink that we are drinking inside, everything is accumulated in the liver. So your liver is like a garbage bin. Your liver needs to be cleansed now and then. Your liver needs to be detoxified now and then. So iPulse, with its ORAC units of 7000 ORAC units of antioxidants, this will detoxify your liver on a daily basis, so that your liver is the first organ that is to be protected inside the human body. So whenever your liver is protected, so automatically the human health is maintained, my dear friends. I hope my point is clear to everybody. So going ahead, as you all know that iPulse is a wonderful product which is removing the root causes of the disease. This is very important, which is eliminating or removing the root causes of the disease. So whenever the root cause of the disease is eliminated, so automatically the manifestation of the disease will be eliminated. This is very, very important. Whenever the root cause of the disease is eliminated, the manifestation of the disease can be stopped. This is how, based on this particular principle, the antioxidant product like acai berry, the iPulse is actually acting in the human body. So iPulse is a wonderful product which actually fights the free radicals. So whenever the free radicals is increasing inside the human body, iPulse will eliminate or neutralize the free radicals, so that the manifestation of the diseases can be stopped, my dear friends. This is how iPulse is actually helping the human body to cope up with the oxidative stress, and definitely developing the best of the best resistance to fight against all kinds of dreadful diseases in the future. So there are a lot of benefits, significant benefits of iPulse as well. So cardiovascular benefits is the first benefit, where it strengthens your heart, it reduces the increased cholesterol levels. It also has a lot of antioxidant benefits, where it protects the cells, it scavenges the free radicals, it strengthens the cell membrane. It also has a lot of immune booster benefits, where it fights out the virus and the bacteria. It also has a lot of anti-cancer benefits, where it supports the quality of life in patients. It improves the mental clarity. It also has the combating capability of complications of diabetes. In case of diabetes complications also, one can safely consume iPulse, my dear friends. I hope my point is clear to everybody. iPulse is definitely good for diabetes. In case of diabetes, I would suggest you to consume 20 ml of iPulse in the morning, half an hour before breakfast, and 20 ml in the night, half an hour before dinner. It is not 30 ml twice, it is 20 ml twice. It is definitely good for blood pressure. So in case of low blood pressure, I would suggest you to consume 30 ml in the morning, half an hour after breakfast, and 30 ml in the night, half an hour after dinner. In case of low blood pressure, it is after the food. In case of high blood pressure, it is before the food. I hope my point is clear to everybody. So far as the age limit is concerned, children above 1 year should consume iPulse, not below 1 year of age. From 1 year to 100 years, iPulse can be given in the same dosage without causing much problems. Okay, without worrying much about the side effects, my dear friends. So far as the duration of intake, as a part of wellness supplement, I would like to tell you that at least for a minimum period of 3 months, iPulse can be used. For a maximum period, it can be used as long as desired. So far as the time of intake is concerned, from 7:30 a.m. to 9 o'clock in the morning, from 7:30 p.m. to 9 o'clock in the night, one can safely consume iPulse. This is one good time to consume so far as your absorption, your digestion is concerned. During pregnancy and lactation, for the first 6 months of pregnancy, iPulse can be used safely. For the last 3 months, it should not be used. During the lactation, for the first month, it should not be used. From the second month onwards, it can be used safely, my dear friends. I hope my point is clear to everybody. So with this, I would like to end this short topic on iPulse. Again, I would like to apologize for the internet connectivity issue there, because we had a broadcasting issue. We had an interruption in between, but don't worry about it. The previous segment, what I spoke, it is all recorded. It is already there in the Facebook Live. So definitely people can watch through that as well. Similarly, the second recording will also be published there, so that both the recordings of the same day will be available there. So you can definitely look into that. Well, my dear friends, as you all know that there is a link which is appearing below the chat box where you should click the link. Suppose if I am not able to answer your question directly on live, please do click the link there. Once you click the link, enter your name, enter your email ID and phone number, then pose your question to us. We will answer your question by email back to you. Suppose if I am not able to answer your question on live, this is a second way of doing it. Click the thing, click the link, enter your email ID. This is very, very important. Again, I am repeating you. Please enter your email ID there so that your question can be answered back on email. I hope my point is clear to you, my dear friends. So thank you so much for that. So let me take up the questions of today. So today, as I told you, my dear friends, initially the interruption happened. So we apologize for that. But we are taking your questions again now. So my colleague Asma has collected the questions for me. So the first question is by Mr. Anand Kumar. Most of the people whom I referred taking iPulse are getting cold and after consuming it initially. Any problem is there? So Mr. Anand Kumar, if you are watching this, I'd like to tell you one thing here. Suppose if the product is refrigerated, especially for a season like winter or a rainy season, I would always suggest you to keep it out of the fridge before you give it. So until and unless it comes to room temperature, please don't give it. You can give it in room temperature, so this cold problem will not happen. So the next question is by Mr. Afra Latif, by Miss Afra Latif, if I'm spelling it right. Can I give iPulse to a patient having BP, wall disease and blood vomiting? See, blood vomiting, I don't know what exactly the history is, but definitely BP and wall disease, you can give 30 ml twice daily, half an hour before the food itself. The next question is by Mr. Santosh Kumar. iPulse is fine to take after open heart surgery. Yes, absolutely yes. 30 ml twice daily, half an hour before food can be given to an open heart surgery patient. So let me take up the next set of questions. Is it needed to refrigerate iPulse? Very important, very good question. You can refrigerate it, but normally what we suggest is to put the white cap inside every time. I know it is difficult. People are having difficulty in putting it again, but have a bit of a patience, put it back again, then you don't need a refrigerator. If you are not putting it back again, you need a refrigerator to refrigerate the product. I hope my point is clear to you. Always have the patient to put it back, the white cap, so that you don't need to refrigerate it again. So, can sperm count increase with iPulse? From Ms. Bindu Madhavi. No, because I am not directly answering this question. Suppose if you have any such questions like the reproductive problems in both men and women, I would suggest you to send us a mail at doctor@indusviva.com. We would like to study the reports and then we'll get back to you. So for such issues of reproductive issues, I will not be answering directly on the Facebook Live. So the next question is by Ms. Limi Rudy. iPulse is good for pregnant women first trimester. Absolutely yes. Miss Limi, you can definitely give 30 ml twice daily, half an hour before the food itself. For the first 6 months, that is for the first and the second trimester, you can definitely give iPulse. So the next question is by Miss Priya Shetty. Person is suffering from rheumatoid arthritis, RA, from 14 years. Please suggest iPulse and iCoffee. You can give half sachet of iCoffee in the morning and half sachet in the night, half an hour before food. Whereas iPulse will be 30 ml in the morning, half an hour after breakfast, and 30 ml in the night, half an hour after dinner. I hope my point is clear to you. iCoffee is before the food. iPulse is 30 ml twice daily, half an hour after the food. Because rheumatoid arthritis is an autoimmune disease where you have to give the product half an hour after the food, my dear friend. So the next question is by Yogashri Jitin. iPulse is alkaline or acidic, and it is complete multivitamin drink. See, iPulse is acidic in nature, it is not alkaline. And we don't have added vitamins in this. All the vitamins and minerals are inherently present in the fruits itself. I hope my point is clear to you. So the next question is by Yogashri again. Can we give iPulse for diabetes without iCoffee? You can still give it, but 20 ml in the morning and 20 ml in the night, half an hour before breakfast and half an hour before dinner. So the next question is by Mr. Vijish. Can we give iPulse for vitiligo patient? I have suggested for many customers. Mr. Vijish, I would like to tell you one thing. Along with the combination of eye glow, you can suggest. iPulse will be 30 ml twice daily, half an hour before food, whereas eye glow is 1 sachet in the morning and 1 sachet in the night, 15 minutes after the food. If you give in this way, the results will be beneficial. So the next question is by Mr. Surendra Babu. Can we give iPulse for a cancer patient? As I told you, Mr. Surendra Babu, before in the session, for improving the quality of life in cancer patients, definitely iPulse can be given as a dietary health supplement only. So the next question is by Mr. Bharat Raja. Heart related benefits with iPulse. As I told you, iPulse is a wonderful product for reducing the bad fat and retaining the good fat. It normalizes the levels of the lipids, mainly the cholesterol, the total cholesterol, the triglycerides, as well as the LDL, the low density lipoprotein. It reduces it, whereas it increases the HDL, or the high density lipoprotein, or the good cholesterol. This is what iPulse is actually doing to the heart. The other part of it is iPulse actually strengthens your heart muscles. It strengthens your heart muscles, which is very important for proper functioning of the heart, my dear friend. I hope my point is clear to you. So the next question is by Miss Naga Sharmila, if I'm spelling it right. 6-year-old kid, how much quantity need iPulse per day? You can give 30 ml in the morning, 30 ml in the night, half an hour before breakfast and half an hour before dinner. So the next question is by Miss Elvira D'Souza. In sickle cell disease, what product do you suggest? You can definitely give 30 ml of iPulse in the morning, half an hour after breakfast, and 30 ml in the night, half an hour after dinner. I hope Miss Elvira D'Souza, you have heard this. It is after food, not before food. 30 ml twice. The next question is by Mr. Banu Prakash. Some are getting motion after using iPulse. So motion in the sense probably loose motion he's talking about, or the loose stools. So Mr. Banu Prakash, if you are watching this, ask them to consume 3 liters of warm water in a day, not at once, 3 liters throughout the day. Warm water. It should not be cold water, it should be warm water for the first 1 week of consuming iPulse. This will reduce the loose stool problems. I hope my point is clear to you. So Vivites, as I told you before, you can also post the questions on the link which appears below the chat box. Don't worry if I am not answering your questions straight on live. We will definitely answer each and every question of yours on the link. Please do use the link, start using the link so that it is easy for us also to answer each and every of your questions. Because of the time constraint, I will not be able to answer each and every question on the live, but we can answer in this way. So please make use of the link, enter your email ID. I am repeating this again and again. Enter your email ID and phone number there so that we will be able to answer your question back on the email itself. So thank you so much, Vivites. As I told you before, there was an interruption in the show. The first part of the Facebook Live is already uploaded. The second part will also be uploaded. So for the Monday, that is 12th of October 2020, there will be 2 videos there. So you can probably use two videos for your promotional purposes. Thank you so much, Vivites. This is Dr. Balu Kola signing off from the desk. Have a nice day ahead. Thank you very much.